AI Meets Linguists, Rebrands, Smart Tools, and Big Bets in Localization. Welcome to Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how. Let's kick off with a significant trend, the ever-deepening integration of AI and the evolving role of human linguists. We're seeing a real push toward making AI a practical ally. For instance, at the recent AAITE.EDU Con, a major focus was on bridging human expertise with artificial intelligence, especially within the education sector. The conversation has thankfully moved beyond fear and into practical strategies. Think AI tools that help interpreters with preparation, real-time support, and even evaluation, all while keeping the human firmly in the loop. Sessions there really drilled down into enhancing those uniquely human skills. Better note-taking for consecutive interpreting, boosting memory, and ensuring completeness when working alongside machines. The ethical considerations of AI in language access are also, quite rightly, coming to the forefront. It's not just about can we use AI, but should we? And how do we do it responsibly to protect language access, particularly for vulnerable multilingual students and their families? This theme of AI augmentation is echoed by companies like Welocalize, who've just been awarded a US patent for their AIQE technology. That's AI quality estimation, for those not up on the acronyms. This system uses natural language processing to automatically assess translation quality in multilingual workflows. The clever bit is that it can predict whether a machine-translated segment is good enough to go live or if it needs a human touch, all without relying on traditional reference materials. It's designed to help teams scale up their translation efforts, especially with the rise of generative AI, by focusing human expertise where it's most critical. This is a core part of their OPAL-Enable platform, aiming for intelligent automation across MT, post, editing, and quality assessment. They're not stopping there either, with an AILQA, that's AI-driven linguistic quality assessment, also in development. It's all about striking that balance between automation and human expertise. On the interpreting front, Boostlingo is making strides in enhancing interpreter availability and management, particularly within specialized sectors like healthcare. They're pushing for tighter integrations. For example, embedding interpreting services directly into electronic health record systems. This streamlines workflows massively, allowing healthcare providers to access on-demand interpreting right when they need it. While AI is part of their toolkit, offering features like AI-powered captioning and transcription, the emphasis is very much on AI supporting, not supplanting human interpreters. The nuances of cultural sensitivity and emotional intelligence, especially in critical medical conversations, are still very much the domain of skilled human professionals. We're also seeing companies strategically repositioning themselves in this evolving market. Luisa Translation Agency has rebranded to become Luisa Language Solutions. This isn't just a name change, it signals a significant expansion of their service portfolio beyond traditional translation. They're now highlighting offerings like post-editing of machine translation, SEO keyword research, and website localization, a full suite of audio-visual translation services, including subtitling and script adaptation, and even public speaking courses and pronunciation training. It's a smart move, reflecting how language service providers are becoming much more holistic partners for businesses needing comprehensive communication solutions in a globalized world. And it's not just about established players. New platforms are emerging to tackle specific industry pain points. Take AcudoX, for example, which is carving out a niche in the migration and certified translation marketplace. They're offering an end-to-end automated workflow specifically designed to streamline the often clunky process of getting personal documents like birth certificates or diplomas translated and certified for official use by visa agencies, LSPs, and government departments. The platform promises speed, a mobile-friendly interface, and secure handling of documents, connecting users with certified translators. This kind of specialized automation for high-volume, standardized translation tasks is definitely a space to watch. Finally, it's always encouraging to see governments recognizing the growing need for language services. The regional government in Madrid has earmarked EUR 1.5 million to bolster language services within judicial settings. This investment is a direct response to the increasing demand for translation and interpreting in courts and legal processes. highlighting the critical role language access plays in ensuring justice. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.